my name is Gary Mamon. I'm a passionate person. I have, like many people, the passion of my family, the passion of music, the passion of science, the passion of astrophysics, and the passion of galaxies like the Milky Way, which has hundreds of billions of stars like our sun. And my work at the Institut d'Astrophysique de Paris, IAP in Paris, it involves how do galaxies form, how do they evolve, how are they affected by their environment, how do we measure that environment, and how do we define where is the dark matter that dominates the masses of these galaxies and that helps us understand how they evolve. And these questions can be made a little bit, put in more detail. They can form by accreting gas, they can form by colliding and merging. So these are the questions that we've been asking ourselves. And so for the dark matter part, I developed mathematical algorithms to measure the distribution of the dark matter as a function of position in these galaxies. And then we also do this for galaxy systems like clusters of galaxies. Now, I've recently heard about this new project out of the atmosphere, and I have to admit that I've been very involved, like many of my colleagues, in popularizing astronomy to the general public. And I've been involved in talking to retired people, giving public lectures to adults, and I've also been heavily involved in the classroom. If I go downwards, from secondary school all the way to kindergarten. And I've had tremendous fun in teaching what I know to the general public, and particularly to the younger public. And they have an amazing will to learn about what is there above the sky, what is there in space, where do we come from? Where are we going? What are black holes? What is the universe? What is dark matter? What is dark energy? Well, what is a star? What is a galaxy? And these are very interesting interactions. And when I teach these students, it's not just the scientifically oriented who ask me the questions. The questions come from every one of the students. They are all full of questions about where we are in the universe. So Out of Atmosphere is a forum that brings together astronomers, astrophysicists, astronauts, and other people who are involved in the world outside of the atmosphere in one form or the other. And it is another way of bringing the world above the atmosphere to the general public who really craves for this information. And so I think it's a very good idea, and I hope it will have a lot of success.